Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm standing in the backyard, and as you have seen on previous videos, I have completed or am started with my garden layout, and I want to show you something why I built this resistive solder device that I've made, and I want to show you what I did with it. So I almost completed the entire section, and I just want to show you what I did already. So I want to show you how it works, and I just show you what I did, and you will see it now. So let's go and see what I did. I'm gonna make these joints, and you see, maybe I told you there's copper paste in the joint, but I'm also gonna put a wire around it. So first of all, I'm gonna start with a flux. It's a paste, and you just apply a dab there. Doesn't need to be that much. And also apply it here and here, and also it goes here. Now the tracks don't need to be excellently clean, because this will burn through all kinds of dirt. Where's my solder? I have to get the solder. Also, I'm using lead-based solder. I'm not doing these lead-free stuff, because I don't think that will hold up in the outdoors. Now, what I do is I put the wire where I want it. There's a little kink in there. Put the wire where I want it. Place it, push it on the track with the resistive soldering device. Press the button and just feed in the solder. Hold the wire on there for a moment, then release it. Check that it's okay. It's okay. Take the clamp, put it on the other track. You should also always do that because of the high currents that are involved. Again, put the wire on, push the button, luckily I'm doing this outside. If you're doing this indoors, not quite good. If you're doing this indoors, please open a window, because these fumes are not particularly healthy. So changing the clamp again, probably out of shot, but it's on the track. Put it on here. Push that down. Turn it on. Apply solder. And that does the trick. Clamp to the other track. Put the wire on. I did change this a little bit. Done already. I did change this a little bit. It's now a wooden handle, because this gets hot, and it even heated up the switch. The switch is here, and I did it on purpose because I'm low on the ground and I cannot use a foot switch. So that's why the switch is here, and you can hear it clicking in the back. If you want to check if you made a short, just leave the clamp on one side of the track, put the device on the other side, other track, and then click the button. If there's a short, you will know it, but there isn't. Everything is okay. So if you have any questions about this, then put them down in the comments. If you like these videos and want to see more, then give it a thumbs up, and hope to see you in another video. Thank you, goodbye.